thunderstorm warning for northern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
That was quick.
At 3:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 14 miles northwest of
They literally just issued a special weather statement.
Impact. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gallatin, White. There's miles northwest of Gallatin, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gallatin, White House, Cross Plains, Portland, Orlinza, Mitchellville, Cottontown, and Oak Grove. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 109 and 120. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Gusts up 50 miles.
The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a flash flood warning for South Central Anderson County, Northwestern Blount County, Southwestern Knox County, Northeastern Loudoun County, Northeastern Roane County, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Knoxville, Oak Ridge, Maryville, Lenoir City, Alcoa, Farragut, Louisville, and Friendsville. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. The
Oh god, it's the ice.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Brentwood, or 9 miles northeast of Franklin, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro, Franklin, Nashville, Brentwood, Laverne, Nolensville, Forest Hills, Oak Hill, Belle Meade, Walter Hill, Antioch, Berry Hill, Trioune, and Rockville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 near mile marker 206, in between and areas 208. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro, Franklin, Nashville, Smyrna, Brentwood, Laverne, Nolensville, Forest Hills, Oak Hill, Belle Meade, Walter Hill, Antioch, Berry Hill, Trioune, and Rockville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 near mile marker 206, in between mile markers 208 and 214. Interstate 65 between mile markers 69 and 82. Interstate 24 between mile markers 52 and 78. Interstate 840 between mile markers 42 and 64. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Doppler radar was tracking a strong